Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary with a quick tutorial for you on the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe, and it has to do with what is located right here. This is the UV sanitizer. If you're not familiar with this, it's a small area that actually sanitizes, well, anything that will fit, whether it's keys, watches, cell phones, glasses, anything that will fit. So all you're going to do is literally put it on the shelf right there. You're going to close the door, and right down here is the button you use to turn it on. So when you push that, the light comes on and it does its thing. Hyundai recommends that you leave items in there that you're sanitizing for 10 minutes. So if you want to, you can do it for longer, I guess, whatever the case is. But that's how it basically works. And in the event that you open the door by pushing this button right here, you'll notice that the light goes out, so it automatically goes off. I was going to try and get you some footage inside with the GoPro, but it just wasn't showing anything other than dark. So I think if I could have maybe positioned the GoPro differently, that'd be one thing, but I can only lay it on its back, so it didn't quite work that way, in case anybody was wondering. But if you were wondering how to use that UV sanitizer, now you know. If there's a particular tutorial you want me to show you, whether it's here on this 24 Santa Fe or some other model, let me know down in the comments section, and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.